Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to buy crypto on Binance with Google Pay. So you can just follow the step by step all the procedure. I will just tap on my Binance account and officially logged in, and I will just tap on add funds, which is top right corner. So whenever I tap, I will just select the buy with USDT via bank transfer or credit card. So I will just tap on it, and after inside I will see the option of Google Pay. So before you paying, you will just enter the amount and just tap on this payment method. So right now in my country region not available with to pay with Google Pay, but you will just open this option and in your country is available, so you will get it Google Pay. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.